Suave Professionals with 100% natural rosemary and mint. Rosemary and mint shampoo. That's what I used, and I got it from Amazon Prime. Yes, delivered to the house. Actually, I got it from Prime Pantry, Amazon Prime Pantry. It says invigorating, clean for all hair types. Salon proven. To invigorate as well as Aveda Rosemary Mint Shampoo. I got a big bottle, 28 fluid ounces, 828 milliliters. Look at my hair. How do you like it? I used to buy a lot of expensive hair shampoos till I realized I don't need it all. I don't even always need a conditioner. This one does not have any conditioner. It's just shampoo. And I did not need any conditioner. And I just took my hair apart the way I usually do now after I wash it. And I just let my hair air dry today. Of course, I tried it a little bit with a towel, and then I show you what I did. And the small tangles came out easily. That's what I did for the whole hair. They came out easily, and the shampoo does not dry out the hair excessively that you need a lot of conditioner, no. And I don't have much hair. I have fine hair and it gets tangled easily. I recently colored my hair with henna, but I've read that rosemary is good to darken the hair, but I think it may take a long time to do so. And also that rosemary is good for hair loss. I don't know for sure. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Yes, Suave Professionals, rosemary and mint. You may want to try it.